Excel 2013 has new features that help you get your work done faster and makes it come to life with just a few clicks. When you have a lot of data to change, just start entering information. Flash Fill recognizes a pattern in your data and completes what you started. Now that you have your data in place, use Quick Analysis for instant ways to add color and meaning to your data, such as conditional formatting, or sparklines. Roll over the choices for a live preview so you can see what looks best. If you need a chart, Excel helps you pick the one that best matches your data. Click Recommended Charts, and you can see live previews of your choices. Customizing your chart is a snap. Click anywhere in the chart and 3 new buttons appear. The Chart Elements button lets you add things like titles and data labels. The Chart Styles button lets you change the look of your chart with predefined layouts. And chart color palettes. And the Chart Filters button lets you show or hide data in your chart. And just like that, we're done. When you're ready to show off your work, you can share it with other people online using tools like SkyDrive. And if you have Link installed, you can start an online meeting or conversation right within Excel. Learn more about what's new with Excel at office.com. The cleaner design and new features of Outlook may look different, but everything you're used to seeing is still there. It's just leaner, less cluttered, and easier to find. Get on top of your communication quickly in the message list. The mini preview shows you at a glance which messages you need to deal with first. With the All and Unread buttons in the inbox, you can focus on the most urgent messages. Delete a message or flag it as a to-do item right from the message list. Reply to a message right from the reading pane. Quickly switch between the main views in Outlook: Mail, Calendar, People, Tasks, Notes, and Folders are all at your fingertips. You can click to see details in one of the different views. If you just want quick information without switching views, use the peek views. Get a glimpse of your calendar, to-do list, or the people you're emailing. If you do want to see all the details, Outlook has plenty. The new People pane shows you all the details you need about people in one place. Phone numbers, email, addresses, even see whether they're in the office. Outlook is easier to customize. Now you can arrange your folders in any order you like. Outlook Exchange and SharePoint join forces to help your team work together, even when you're on the go. You don't need to install a Hotmail connector to add your Hotmail or Outlook.com account anymore. It's built into Outlook. And tasks now sync between Outlook and Outlook.com, to help put your plans together. The search bar in Outlook lets you look for things like emails, tasks, and more. If it's in Outlook, you can search for it. Outlook helps you plan ahead. Now you can plan for the weather too. Will you need an umbrella for your meeting tomorrow in San Francisco? The new weather bar in the calendar view shows you the forecast for up to 5 cities. If you want more details, point to a day, or get more information online. Learn more about Outlook at office.com.
With OneNote 2013, your digital notebooks are no longer stuck on your computer's hard drive. It only takes a few seconds to create your very first notebook in the cloud. Just sign in to your free SkyDrive account to get started. Notebooks that you keep on your SkyDrive account are automatically saved and searchable, and they can be opened from any computer, browser, tablet, or smartphone. If you're upgrading from a previous version of OneNote, your existing notebooks can be used as before. When you're ready to move some of these notebooks from your computer to SkyDrive, the new migration tools make this quick and easy. You can choose to keep your cloud-based notes private, but you can just as easily invite other people to a particular notebook where you can work together on a project or do research together. With OneNote, sharing is easy. While sharing notes is the best way to literally stay on the same page with others, you might still need to distribute notes the old-fashioned way from time to time. The new export command lets you create quick static snapshots of your notes, from a single page or section to an entire notebook. When taking notes on a small screen, such as a laptop, clicking the new Full Page View shortcut hides the OneNote interface. With less clutter on the screen, you can focus on your thoughts and ideas instead of the software. Tables are much improved in OneNote 2013. You can now add color shading to your table cells and designate a header row. A new Sort button lets you organize your table data just the way you've always wanted to. If you also have Excel 2013 installed with OneNote, the new Spreadsheet command turns any table in your notes into a real Excel spreadsheet with just one click. Clicking the Edit button opens the spreadsheet in Excel for editing. You don't need a table to embed Excel spreadsheets within your notes. You can start by inserting a blank new spreadsheet with just a click, or point to an existing Excel file on your computer to insert a copy of it in OneNote. Similarly, if you have Visio 2013 installed with OneNote, you no longer have to rely on the Shapes gallery to draw professional-looking org charts or diagrams. You can create a new diagram or insert an existing one from your computer. To make meetings more manageable, you can use Link 2013 to create a new meeting and then use its Manage Notes command to add notes that all participants can work on together in OneNote. If you prefer, you can just as easily take notes on your own. OneNote 2013 is set up for use on a touch-capable PC. The touch or mouse mode switch on the Quick Access toolbar makes the ribbon and its commands bigger and easier to tap. And the new Draw with Touch command turns your finger into a pencil or paintbrush. Even when OneNote isn't running, you can add information to your notebooks at any time with the new Send to OneNote tool. Use it to gather and send screen clippings, web pages, and documents to the notebooks you select. And to quickly jot down reminders while you work, use the handy Quick Notes feature. You can learn more about what's new in OneNote at office.com.
PowerPoint 2013 makes it easy for you to design and deliver beautiful presentations with ease and confidence. Instead of opening with a blank presentation, you now have several ways to start your next presentation, using a template, a theme, a recent presentation, a not-so-recent presentation, or a blank one. You'll find new themes designed to take advantage of wide screens. And now, themes come with a set of variations, like different color palettes and font families. You can still change the theme on the Design tab, and choose from variable color schemes there as well. Much of the world's TVs and video has gone to widescreen and HD formats, and so has PowerPoint. 16:9 is the default slide size now, but you can change the size to 4:3 or to another custom size. Smart Guides let you see in real time how your graphics line up, and intuitively help you drop objects into the right place. Master level guides are color-coded fixed guides that you set in the Slide Master. Just slide them into place. Then, as you work in normal view, you can align slide objects with these guides to help you achieve visual balance across all slides. Insert common shapes on your slide. Combine them to create a new shape or icon. And then apply a few shape effects to polish off your custom shape or icon. Now when you create a motion path animation, PowerPoint shows you where your object will end up. Your original object stays put, and a ghost image moves along the path to the endpoint. Presenter View has new tools to keep you in control of delivering your presentation. You can see your notes, change the font size, zoom in on specific areas, and view and move between slides easily. And connecting to a projector is simple now with the new Auto Extend capability that automatically applies the right settings for you. But you can manually switch monitors right here under Display Settings. Debate and easily track comments right next to the relevant text or graphics. You can see who replied to whom and when, so you have helpful conversations where they matter. You can share your work and receive and track the feedback. Now you can save your presentations to the cloud. You can share and work with others just by sending a link, which also grants read or edit permissions. Easily manage only one version of your presentation. Learn more about PowerPoint at office.com.
Word 2013 makes reading documents and working with others easier than ever. Plus, there are great new tools for adding polish and personality to your documents. Right when you start Word, you have easy access to inspiration with great new templates. And there are plenty more free templates online. Your recently used documents are always easy to find, and when you're signed into your account, you'll even see the documents you were last working on from another device or online using the Word web app. If you have existing content in the form of a PDF, Word now has the ability to transform the PDF into a fully editable Word doc. You open the PDF like you would any other document. The formatting is maintained, and the text is fully editable. Just make your changes and add your own style. And you can really bring that document to life by adding online video. Insert videos from blogs, websites, and other online sources that your readers can watch right inside your document. Add a personal touch with pictures from your SkyDrive or other online accounts. Or search the web for pictures. There are plenty of royalty-free images available at office.com. When you select a picture, chart, or smart art, the Layout Options button appears. Click it to quickly adjust how the text wraps. And with the new Live Layout view, you get a live preview as you resize and update photos and shapes. The new alignment guides make it easy to line up charts, photos, and diagrams. Word offers a great new reading experience too. Click Read Mode, and the text reflows into columns to fit the screen you're working on. And with a click or a gesture, you move smoothly through your document. For an even cleaner view, you can hide the toolbars. Nothing to distract you, but you still have access to the tools that are always handy when you're reading. For example, you might want to highlight an important passage, get a translation, or look up the meaning of a word. For a closer view of charts and images, just double-click or double-tap to bring them front and center. Click here to make them even bigger. Working with others? Word 2013 makes it easier to stay on top of revisions. A new revision view, Simple Markup, provides a clean view of your document, but you still see indicators where comments and changes have been made. And with just one click, you can see everything. And you'll notice that the comments are associated with the people who made them. You can hover over a comment and click a button to contact the person by phone, IM, video chat, or email without leaving Word. And now you can directly reply to comments. You can have that conversation or debate right next to the relevant text. You can learn more about what's new with Word at office.com. Office web apps make sharing Office documents as easy as sharing your favorite web page. And Office web apps make working on documents simple, because you create and edit them right in your web browser. Office web apps are similar to the regular Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote programs. The difference is the documents are kept online in SkyDrive. Sign in at skydrive.com and upload documents, or create them on the spot in your browser. If you have a recent version of Office, you can save your documents directly to SkyDrive in your Office program. With your documents stored online, you can share them by sending a link, posting to your social network, or making the document publicly searchable on the web. When someone clicks the link to your document, they don't need to have an Office program to see the document. The document opens just like a web page in their browser. When you go to edit your document in the web app, you'll notice that the web app looks a lot like the newest version of Office. All of the web apps include basic features for creating and editing online documents. But if you need a feature that's not available in the web app, click the command for opening the document in the Office program. If you gave permission for other people to edit your document, you might see them in the document while you're working on it. That way, everyone's changes are in the same document, and there's no mailing multiple copies around. We looked at PowerPoint web app in this video, but the same principles apply to Word web app, Excel web app, and OneNote web app. To get started, sign in to SkyDrive. Learn more about Office web apps at office.com.